Hey, what everybody, X81X here. Holy shitai. Everybody is spending shitai money. Shitai. I come home from work today, and all these trucks, there's a big one down there with big branches, big things on it. There's this one. There's four guys there, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a little truck there, stump grinder. There's another bucket truck down there. This house was sold right there the last couple days. There was 2 big trees here, like huge trees. I might have to check my channel myself just to see what these trees look like. And I guess I remember my next door neighbor saying that, he's going to move in and he's going to take these trees down, and, okay, none of my business, who cares? Okay, I come home today, take a shower, get out, and they're fucking doing this guy's tree right here in the middle that was left. And, okay, they're going to pack up, and then this guy comes out with the gray shirt, my neighbor, and he goes to the guy in orange, "Hey," I'm assuming, "how much for this fucking thing over here? And how much for that thing over there?" See, now when they did the power poles, in the winter, what they did was trimmed all these branches down around the poles going up and down the town, even right here. Trust me, this thing was a lot more crappier. And that was that. So they're about done. It's about 4:30 on a Wednesday. He's on his phone, and he probably got a price that he liked. Now me, I got my tree taken down for free because I called my town, because I have these 2 little lips here that are dangerous. So the town came and cut the tree and then grind the stump, and then grass is slowly coming back. You don't water it that much, and I still never fixed my sidewalk. Those are the only 2 problems, and then there's a dip down there, but that's irrelevant to this video. So that's it. So he must have got a good price. What I should have told him is to call the town, and the town probably takes it down for free. But you know what? This company is gonna make money. They made their fucking money down here. They made their money from this, whatever that was, and then now they're gonna make their money for these 2. And that's it. I'll take some shots when I can, but pretty much that's what you're going to see. They're going to take down a couple of these stumps in 4-foot lengths, cut it. Oh, actually, they're going to go shatayin. We're going to have to keep this rolling. Yeah, I guess it's, okay, this is funny. Wait, 1 second, let me move my Lexus. Excuse me, 1 sec. Oh, I guess if you have the people pushing it, he wants to move it to the right, which is smart. Hold on, let me move my Lexus. Jesus Christ, guys, you're all over the place. So he's gonna cut it, and then they're gonna push it down. And begin. Oh, dude, that fucking shook my fucking desk. That's fucked up. That shook my desk. I don't know if the video, if you heard it. I'll see how they grind the stump real quick. They'll probably just push that one down too. Now they're working overtime. Now they're gonna start fucking really cutting shit. You know what I'm saying? Now you're gonna see them. Look at it. Wow, they throw that thing in there? I thought that was just for branches. But this stump grinder is fucking sick. Oh yeah, he's gonna have to go. Oh, that's nice of him. Yeah, that's nice. He's gonna have to go like. That's what they had to do for me over here. You gotta go down where there's dirt. That's the way to do it. He's not gonna grow that much grass either, but that's pretty funny. Oh, that's nice. He's got some water. Yeah, I wouldn't get too close to that grinder, sir. Look at that tree, huh? Look at that. Well, 3 people to push that. It's fucking heavy, huh? Unbelievable. What an operation. He's got no shoes on. That thing chops a... Wow. That's some teeth. Hey guys, do me a favor. Can you grab the stumps in the back that's been there for 2 years? Thank you very much. Very much. I'm telling you, you should have called the town. Oh man, look at that. That just chews it away. That's awesome. Be careful you don't rip the fucking curb. These guys made their money. This company made their money. I guess that's the best thing. You go up and down the block. I used to do that. Not with trees, but hey, can you do me a favor? Can you have a card? Can you give me an estimate? You know, they're there already. Now they're going down to this tree. See if they do the same thing. I don't know if the lines are in the way. That's crazy. Be nice, that tree. These trees were nothing. Shut it down. Everybody's getting their trees done. They already made their money with the fucking big ones down. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? They did an okay job in the middle. You probably have to rake out a couple of inches and throw some what would be called some topsoil. But that's not a bad area to seed. Oh, you know, right in front. This is going to be a pain. This is going to turn into what that is. Patchy grass. It's kind of a mulch, I guess. Got a big stick here with a cutter at the end. They'll probably cut the branches off over there and then just do the same thing they did. Yeah. Get it off the power lines. It's unfortunate. These trees, I don't know if I have video of them, but it's unfortunate. These trees were big, they were blooming, and then the fucking town came by. I don't think this guy should have paid for it. I don't think he should have. That's my opinion. Well, I just fucking flew and almost hit that car. Oh, this guy's got the branch on the wire. That's it. There goes our TV. Oh, there they go. Shut down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's probably the most dangerous thing you could do. Because Look, oh, geez, don't run. Who cares? I don't know. There's a wire. No, guys, you're gonna kill. Wow. That's luck. They just fucking. They're lucky they didn't rip. Now, that would have been cable. That would have been cable. Because I have phone connected IP. That would have been cable. That would have been fucked up. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. I'll kill the video here because it's getting monotonous. But they'll cut the stump, put it in the thing. This guy's fucking having fun, grinding away. It's his only job, making a mess with fucking all that mulch. And there is a homeowner sitting there, sitting pretty. New York City. Alright, everybody. This is random removal of the trees all up and down the block, which is hilarious. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.